All right, welcome back. Today I want to talk about what does a patent cost? People ask all the time, hey, I want to get a patent. And first of all, you have to determine, do you even need one? But I want to talk about the total cost of a patent. First of all, we're talking about filing a provisional patent application. And you can do that yourself, or you could hire a patent attorney or a patent agent. If you hire someone to help you do that, it's probably going to cost you anywhere from $1,500 up to $2,500. But you can do it yourself, and we have a great program called Smart IP that for $99 is going to show you how you can do it yourself. Plus you have to then file a fee at the USPTO. Okay, that's one way. That provisional patent application is really a great tool, and it's a very affordable tool. It gives you 1 year patent pending status to reach out to companies to see if they're interested in your product idea. I love that. So you don't go ahead and have to file a non-provisional patent application at the very beginning of all this. But let's say you do file that provisional patent application and you determine that, hey, I want to file a non-provisional patent application. How do I budget for that? And what is that going to really cost? Well, let me give you some advice here. You have an option to find attorneys, patent attorneys, or patent agents. And I'm here to tell you that if you find a patent attorney in a big city, it's going to cost you a little bit more just because of the overhead. If you find someone in the middle of the country, it's going to be a little bit less. If you find an independent solo practitioner, that doesn't have a lot of attorneys. It's not a big law firm, but it's someone that's doing it on their own. It's going to be less expensive, and you'll probably get a great work from it. And I've seen a lot of solo patent practitioners that do a great job. Okay, and I can even recommend some to you if you like. Also, a patent agent, great value. The only thing they cannot do is litigate, but these guys are really good, and I work with a couple of guys, and I can recommend some of those guys to you as well that do a wonderful job that can help you. So, but let's say I want to file a non-provisional patent application. What does it cost? The ranges that I've seen, anywhere from $6,000, $7,000, $8,000. That would include office actions and everything, to up to $30,000. It's a full range. It depends on the complexity of your idea, depends on how many claims you have, and it depends on who you really hire to do it. My patents that I have achieved, and you can see those over there, were on a technology in the packaging industry, which is very competitive. It's working with big companies, so my patent attorneys, for my patents, and I have a wall of patents, over 20 patents in my name, they're about $25,000. But they have a lot of claims, they're very strong, and they're just fantastic. I knew I needed that because I was dealing in an industry where I might have a few issues. Okay, but for most products, consumer products, in the pet industry, hardware, fitness, whatever, you probably don't need a patent that's going to cost you $25,000. You could probably find someone that can do it for $10,000 to $15,000. Okay, but here's the catch. It's not how much money you spend that you're going to get a better patent. It's really the information you provide your patent attorney or patent agent that's going to determine the quality of that application. So I'm here to tell you this. Make sure whatever you do, provide them with enough information that they can file that non-provisional patent application that truly has value. So it's not, if you spend more, I'm going to get a better patent. No, that's not true. Or I'm going to hire a big firm, I'm going to get a better patent. That's not true at all. So you really want to help your patent attorney or patent agent do a good job for you, and I'm going to teach you how to do that. So bottom line is, they're expensive. So I believe you can test your ideas with the provisional patent application using some of the tools we're talking about on this channel, so you don't go down that road of filing for a non-provisional patent application, a real patent, and you have a plaque on the wall that hasn't generated any revenue. Please realize, here's the thing here, I'm telling you now too. Most patents never recoup the cost it takes to file them. like 97%. That's really high. So you don't want to file them out of fear. You want to file them when it's the right time to file them and the right reason to file them, because someone actually wants your invention. This is Stephen Key. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. I'll see you next time.